Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma is another version of division algorithm which says that given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a is equal to b into q plus r, where 0 is less than equal to r less than b. Now let me clear you the meaning of this. A and b here, two positive integers, real numbers. Here a is the dividend and b is the divisor, the two numbers for which we can find out the HCF. A greater than b. So there exist unique integers q and r. This q and r we get only when we divide a by b. And that division of a with b satisfies this relation a is equal to b into q plus r, which simply means dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now here we are given a condition about the remainder, that is 0 less than equal to r less than b, which means that the remainder r can be equal to 0 or greater than 0, but r should be less than b. The remainder should be always less than the divisor, otherwise the division will continue. And if the division continues, then the lemma becomes algorithm. Some children may get confused that what is the difference between lemma and the algorithm. So basically lemma and algorithm both are same. The only condition is that if the division continues for more than one step, in that case in place of lemma we write algorithm, Euclid's division algorithm. Otherwise we can write lemma also. So here we will find out the HCF of two numbers using this Euclid's division lemma. I am taking an example here. Find HCF of 455 and 42 by Euclid's division lemma. So for arranging this HCF in terms of lemma, we will divide these numbers 455 by 42. Here 455 is A and 42 is B. Okay. So let us divide this 455 by 42. So we can get 42 tens are 420. And here our remainder is 35. Now since you can see here the remainder R is less than B, so this step satisfies. But since remainder is not 0, so division will continue. Now here using 35 as the divisor and the previous divisor 42 as our dividend. Okay, so 35 ones are 35. We get 7. One more time, continuing the division, 7 dividing 35, and we get 7 5s are 35, and at last the remainder becomes 0. Now by Euclid's division algorithm. Why algorithm? Because the division is continuing for more than one step. So it has become a sequence of division which is called the algorithm. We can write here Euclid division lemma also. There is no confusion in that. So let us write this division step by step in terms of A is equal to BQ plus R, where A is the dividend, B is divisor, Q is quotient, and R is the remainder. So for the first step, first division, 455 is equal to 42 into 10 plus 35. In step 2, 42 is equal to 35 into 1 plus 7. Third step, 35 is equal to 7 into 5 plus 0. This is equation number 1, 2 and 3. Now our HCF can be determined in that step in which the remainder becomes 0. Okay? So here in step 3, if we see the sequence A is equal to BQ plus R, B is always called the HCF. So here in step 3, B is equal to 7. That means the HCF of the two numbers which we are given, 455 and 42, is equal to 7. Okay? So this way, by using Euclid's division lemma, we can find out the HCF of the two given numbers. The same process can be used for finding out the HCF of three numbers also.